Hey guys, are you fond of eating white bread but still hesitating to eat because of the maida present in that? So here is the recipe for you. Here without any maida you can make this white bread in a healthy version. Here you can see its texture, how soft and spongy it is. So the process is also very simple. Take a jar, add 2 cups of suji or rava, which is upma rava. In this, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk powder and a pinch of salt. Grind it to a fine powder as shown in the video. Now, for activating the yeast, I have taken warm milk, added a little bit of sugar and yeast. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, take the grinded rava powder into a bowl and the activated yeast mixture in this. Mix it with the help of a spoon. The dough texture should be as shown in the video. Now knead it again by adding very little oil. The dough should be of sticky consistency. Now roll it into a ball and let it rest for 1 hour. Here you can see how nicely it is fermented. It has doubled its size. Now punch it and release all the air present in this. Now knead it again for 4 to 5 minutes nicely. Here kneading plays a vital role in making a soft and spongy bread. So without maida you can even make white bread with the same taste and texture. You can give it to your kids also without hesitation because it's very healthy. Now take a rolling board or silicone mat. Here I have taken silicone mat because the quantity of the dough is more. If the quantity is less, you can even roll it on a rolling board. So now I have taken silicone mat and spread with some oil and knead it again. Knead the dough as much as possible. Now roll it with the help of rolling pin as thin as possible. So here you can see its texture. It just looks like a maida. Even the taste and texture of the bread will be like maida. This is very healthy. You can even give it to your kids and if you have any adults in your family. So without hesitation you can give it to them. So here you can see easily it will get roll. Now roll it as shown in the video. You have to make a shape of rectangle. Here pinch the edges so that it will get sealed nicely. Now make it into a rectangular shape. Here grease the cake tin with some oil and place the dough inside it and spread it all over the tin. Now let it ferment for 30 to 45 minutes. So here you can see how nicely it is fermented and it has doubled its size. Now apply some milk on it and bake at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. So after baking, let it cool down completely and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.